Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you guys stopping by once more. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now, I will be showing you guys how I do my green seasoning, which I use a lot. I use this a lot. Now, the ingredients varies, so it depends on what you like and what you prefer. Please go ahead and give this video a like, comment down below, share this video on your social media platforms, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, the whole works. Alright, so we just jump into the video, yeah, guys. Alright, guys, so these are all my seasoning, right? So I have my spring onions here, or my escallion. I have my onions, thyme. I have a head of garlic, so I just chop them up. And I have some sweet pepper, I have some Scotch bonnet pepper, and that's basically it. If you have like parsley and other seasoning that you like and you want to put it, no problem. Alright, this is just what's in my kitchen and what was in my refrigerator right now. Alright, so I have my blender here, so I'm just gonna guys. So what I'm gonna add to this next is I'm gonna add some soybean oil. This adds some flavor to the seasoning, guys, as well as it helps the blender, because I'm just using a regular blender here, so it helps loosen the mixture. Alright, so I added, that was 4 tablespoons. Alright, so I'm gonna get this in the blender. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna blend this until I think it's smooth enough. Alright, guys, so there you have it. If you have a mason jar, you can store it in the mason jar. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Alright, guys, peace out.